Everyone smiles when they see someone with gorgeously white teeth. However, stained and discolored teeth ruin its beauty. Nowadays, people spend money on a variety of commercial items, but have you ever considered using homemade remedies? Here are 7 ingredients to whiten teeth. Baking soda. Did you know there is a beauty trick for practically all skin issues that can also be used to whiten teeth? Because it is gritty and alkaline, it cleans your teeth of stains and deters microorganisms. This soda is an essential component of toothpaste since it has natural whitening and cleaning capabilities. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of water to 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Brush your teeth with a generous amount of this combination. Repeat this method several times to get satisfactory results. Baking soda prevents bacteria growth in the mouth by fostering an alkaline environment. Apple cider vinegar or ACV. ACV is well known for its various health benefits for humans, but it can also make you grin. Enzymes and probiotics included in ACV aid in the eradication of bacteria and viruses. You need 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV to whiten with. First, use your finger to rub it on your teeth for 1 to 2 minutes. After that, rinse your mouth with water to clean your teeth. After cleaning, swish some plain water around in your mouth a few times. The enamel of teeth can be eroded by this acid, so daily use is not advised. Turmeric powder paste. Your teeth will become whiter and healthier, because to turmeric's ability to help eliminate plaque and surface stains from the teeth. Turmeric can also be applied to tooth hygiene at home. Gum infections are avoided by turmeric's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory curcumin. Additionally, it aids in plaque removal. Coconut oil can be used with it. 1/2 teaspoon of coconut oil and a pinch of turmeric are combined. Apply to your teeth, then wait for 5 minutes. After that, thoroughly wash your teeth and rinse your mouth. Oil pulling. Amazing properties of coconut oil now extend to improving your smile. If you don't like the flavor of coconut oil, this time-honored method works wonders. Coconut oil is added, and it is then rubbed for 10 to 15 minutes. Spit the oil out after that, then finish by brushing your teeth. It won't hurt to repeat as necessary daily, weekly, or monthly. Lauric acid, which is present in coconut oil and beneficial for gums and teeth, fights off microorganisms. Benefits of brushing and flossing. Age-related tooth discoloration is a natural occurrence, that is largely brought on by plaque accumulation. By preventing plaque accumulation and flossing and brushing frequently, you can decrease the amount of bacteria in your mouth and maintain the whiteness of your teeth. In addition, toothpaste gently rubs off stains on your teeth, while flossing eliminates the microorganisms that cause plaque. Peroxygenated water. Natural bleaching agents like hydrogen peroxide can help whiten teeth. It reaches deep inside the teeth and eliminates the stains-causing substances. Purchase 3% hydrogen peroxide for usage at home. For 15 days, swirl a combination of 1 part of it with 4 pieces of water. Orange or lemon peels. Lemons and oranges are examples of citrus fruits that may help whiten teeth. Lemon and orange can also be used to brush your teeth. However, you must remember to rinse your mouth thoroughly with plain water several times after using the peels on your teeth. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.